Morning.
Morning. Welcome, everybody. So, season's greetings. If I don't see you, Happy New Year. So, today I'm going to continue on the glass top build. We were going to make this a bubble top, but we decided let's put frames and let's not enclose the whole car. So, let's carry on. I'm thinking this is a lot to work with. I know that glass and to curve it is a bit of an issue normally for the guys, so I'm gonna chop it off right on this edge where it doesn't curve too bad, and let's see how it looks. Right, first things first. And I'll transfer that to the other side as well. I'll use this as a guide. Alright, that's actually gonna look quite good. If I can just visualize that, yeah. That should be perfect. Let me start my wheel of death. Alright. That looks actually quite fantastic. We'll use the bit that came off here maybe, just curve it a bit more to match this and run it down here. Wow, that makes one heck of a difference.
Alright, so you did the other side the same as this side.
Yes, that's basically what it comes down to, or boils down to. Right, I'm just looking at this, and you know what, this is going to interfere with my design, so I'm going to just lob off this rusty old bit here, just to have a straight piece for me to tie this in, because remember I want the structure of the frame to support the glass, and I'll probably put a piece of plate on the inside also to support the lip for the glass that's coming here. But I want to continue this curve quickly. Best part how to do it, let's use the old parts that's already got a bit of a curve and just wiggle waggle mangle them. Let's quickly have a look. Cool. Let me roughly measure this. Keeping my tape measure on 100. I need about, let's say, okay, let's continue down. First bit will run up to here. I need 705. That's for the first corner. 705. Let me write it down here. 705. Rust always works better. Then the next bit, straight as can be, 770 about. Right. $7.05. Here we are. Maybe I should give myself a bit more. Now that's 705. Just double checking. To there. Right. Right. Top part. Right, just put my hat on. Right, that one, that's that one. Thing, it should be something like that. Right, let's cut it, but give ourselves a bit more metal to work with. I'm gonna sort of cut it on top here because it's coming out anyway, that because I need to extend that, and it looks horrible. Right, now I can start playing with this, getting the shape that I want. Let me mark this all out. Right, this should go lay in there flash, and this is where we're gonna play. According to this car, I knew it's gonna be something like that. We quickly lob that section and play with it until we got it here. Because remember, it's got a bulge here as well. I need to still work out. Right. Initially, gonna have to take a bit more. I'm gonna put it on top, I think, because that's not gonna fit in there that way. It's gonna fit that way more. Yeah, I have to take a bit more. But I'd rather take small amounts than chop the finger being too short or being a problem. Then I'll work this out now. I have to cut my welds here also, because I know I'm gonna battle to get it out when I'm done. Right, that should be able to work perfectly if I do that. Yes. Right, if I do this, bring it out a bit more, that should work perfectly. Then I have to curve it some bit. Alright, not a problem. I think I must still take a bit out rather and keep this so I can have this and that. Yes, let me take a bit more out. But this time I'm gonna have to take out the top. There we go. Right, then we've got that curve. That will look splendid. Right, so that's how that's almost gonna look. Let me quickly tack this in place on our custom design, and then we'll chop it and curve it a bit more and see how she looks. Then we'll attempt to start making our lip for the glass to lay in. We have to maybe bend the lip or use existing material that we curve and run all the way also back, so we can have our glass that sits in. It's about a 13mm, half inch. Fire it up. Right, now that I've managed to do that, let's do this. Right, continuing on the curve down, we should be about there. Remember, it's curved, so it should have a slight drop. Let me work it out before I just lob it off. Right, that seems perfect. Now it's doesn't want to write on cars anymore. Okay, so we'll be there about. But I want it basically there. A slight curve. Right. So that's basically it. We have our curve. Now I've got to basically finish this, fix this, and then we need to start putting a lip and reinforcing this. So this is more sturdy. It's actually quite sturdy, but I want it better. Alright, so our last being about almost 9mm thick for this last stop, and our Sika being about another 4mm. I decided let's keep it safe. Let's measure this piece of channel that I picked up because I didn't feel like bending another piece of steel. And it was calling my name because it's already curved. It saves me some hassle. Let's cut this at 13mm down on the one side first, and then we'll go to the other side. Let me cut this quickly to size. Right then, now that we've got our first part of a lip, I say let's also make our bottom part. The inside of that lip. So we got something for the glass to sit on. Yes, perfect. We quickly cut this, then we should be close. And then we can go and lob it in the car. Right, now that we've got a lip for our window, we'll grind it aside. We're going to tag in clean. We'll later on grind that when we fit everything and paint. Now we just need to bend it to the curve. Right, let me run up and down and match it to that curve. Don't want to bend it too much. I need to get out of these weeds. Right, let's go see how this match. We'll run up and down to get it perfect for now. Right, that seems sufficient. Here's a bit much. Just to have it square and level with that roof. Yes. Now I need to start bending here. It's not very hard metal to bend, so don't overdo it. It's only 3 more. That seems sufficient, pretty much. Let me bend here. Let's see. I think that was a tad much. Let's see. Right, not that bad. Over here it needs a bit more. And there, and then straight a bit there. Right, so almost perfect. We start bending it here. And then I need to straighten a small amount over here until I've got it perfectly with the edge of this and the edge of that. Like you can see, that should be sufficient. Right, you get it to where it sits square, buzz it there and start buzzing it in. Then I should just follow my own curve. But there we go. If you look here, you'll see what I'm basically going at. You see the lip running directly parallel with the roof. That's what we're at. We quickly clean, then we can start packing it in and shaping it more. Let me quickly start packing this in. This is where our glass is going to sit on. Just making sure it's perfect, as this contradicts the glass as well, and how the glass should sit. So this you can't take mistakes on. It should be right. Thank you for watching, everybody. At least now we've got one section done, and we've got our lip-footed glass in for our glass top. I'll grind it nicely, finish it off later on, and then I'll do the other side off camera. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and Happy New Year. Peace out.